You can see here different colors are used for different letters to make it easy for you to recognize. For example, alif here, you have a lam, and then alif, lam, alif, ba, alif, lam, alif, lam, lam, alif, lam, ha, lam, alif, ba, lam, ba, kaf, kaf, kaf here in the red, and then a ba, kaf and ba, kaf and alif, kaf and alif, ba, kaf and ta, ta, kaf, tha. You've seen this before, so that's straightforward. Ba, ta, tha, noon, ya, and ba, alif. Noon, alif, ta, alif, ya, alif, tha, alif, ba, sin, ya, sin, noon, sin, ta, sin, tha, sin, tha, jim, ta, ha, noon, kha, ya, ha, ba, jim, ya, mim, ba, mim, noon, mim, ta, mim, sa, mim, ba, ya, lam, ya, noon, ya, ta, ya, tha, ya. Noon, ba, lam, ta, noon, lam, ba, ya, lam, ya, ta, lam, tha, tha, lam, noon, ba, and noon. Ba, noon, noon again, ta, ya, noon, ya, ta, noon, tha, tha, noon, jim, ha, kha, ha, tha, kha, ba, jim, ta, ta, ha, ta, ya, jim, ba, ba, kha, ta, ha, ba, ta, ya, ha, ta, ha, noon, ta, ha, ya, ha, ba, ha, alif, ba, ha, mim, dal, dal, jim, dal, kha, dal, ra, za, jim, ra, kha, za, ra, za, ya, ra, ta, za, sin, shin, sin, lam, shin, lam, صاد, ضاد, طا, ظا, صاد, ba, طا, ba, ضاد, alif, ظا, alif, ain, ghain, hamza. I'll say hamza, it could be ain. We'll go with ain for now. Ghain, za, ghain, ra, صاد, ain, ضاد, ghain, ba, ain, dal, ta, gha, ghain, and dal, alif with a hamza, waw with a hamza, ya with a hamza. Normally you find alif, waw, and ya act as a seat for hamza. Okay, you find hamza there. Don't find hamza here. Ghain, hamza, ain, zay, ghain, ra, صاد, ain, ضاد, ghain, ba, ain, dal, ta, ghain, dal. You normally find alif, waw, and ya acting as a kursi chair for the hamza. So you have hamza on the top of alif, hamza on top of waw, and hamza on top of ya, and fa by itself. Qaf, waw, qaf, waw, fa, waw, fa, qaf, lam, qaf, fa, lam, ya, fa, mim, mim again, ha, mim, lam, mim, ta, mim, ta, mim, and ta.